ASTURIA. This is 14414 Trails Edge Boulevard. My name is Jillian Jamison and I'm with the Jamison team at Likely Real Estate. This home is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with just under 2,000 square feet. It's on the end of a cul-de-sac with conservation views out the back and the side of the home with no side neighbors on the right side. It is absolutely gorgeous and loaded with upgrades. Let's go check it out. I hope you enjoyed this tour of this gorgeous home. If we can answer any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Again, my name is Jillian Jamison and I'm with the Jamison team at Likely Real Estate, and we are opening the door to your next home. Have a great day.